I think the most important thing is that smart manufacturing or Industry 4.0 is not just about technology. It's really about understanding your business, where you're trying to go, and then figuring out its impact on your people and your management strategy, your partners, things like that. So to walk away and go, I'm not just chasing technology, but I have a way to understand how to put technology in the proper place for my business. As we talked about in the session, right, technology is definitely something that's on everybody's mind. Right? And how do they use it for themselves? How do they keep up? And so I do think that we're all learning individually how to be more digital. Like, what does it mean to have a digital presence? I would encourage people to come because there's so much that's happening in manufacturing, so many things that manufacturers have to deal with. It's really, really tough to get caught up, stay caught up. And so, meeting like this and socializing, making connections is really, really important. And I encourage people to do as much of it as they can.